Welcome to the Worldwide Admissions Hub, Refer and Earn program. In this short video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can create your account, complete your profile, and start your earning journey with Worldwide Admissions Hub. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Worldwide Admissions Hub. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Under the section, Grow with Us, you'll see the Refer and Earn option. Click on it. After clicking, you'll be redirected to the referral portal. If you already have an account, simply sign in. But if you're new, then scroll down a little and click on Sign Up/Register. Now you'll see this sign up form on your screen. Simply fill in your first name, last name, email, phone number, and create your password. Then confirm your password and click on Sign Up. After this, an OTP will be sent to your email. Open your email inbox, copy the OTP, and paste it into the verification box. Then click on Continue. Once that's done, you'll see the welcome screen, just like this. Simply click on Continue to Dashboard. Now log in using your newly created account details. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your Refer and Earn dashboard. Here, you'll see your performance overview and referral status. Before doing anything else, go to the top left corner and click on Complete Your Profile. Fill in your basic details there. It's important to complete your profile first before starting referrals. Start by typing your full name in the first box. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's active because you'll receive important updates there. Then, move to the contact section. Choose your country code from the drop-down and type your phone number. After that, select your date of birth using the calendar icon. Now, choose your country from the list, and once you do, the city option will appear. Select your city. Below, you'll find social media links. Here, you can add your profile links for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. These are optional, but help build your professional network. When you've entered all your details correctly, click the red Continue button to move to the next section, Academic Information. This section is all about your educational background. First, select your degree from the drop-down list. For example, you can choose options like bachelor's, master's, or PhD, whichever you're currently enrolled in. Next, in the program field, type the name of your course or program. For instance, Bachelor of Computer Science or MBA in Marketing. Then, in the university name box, type the name of your university or institution. Make sure you spell it correctly, since this information will appear in your academic records. Finally, choose your current semester from the drop-down list. Click the red Continue button to move forward to the next section, Work Experience. In this section, you'll provide information about your professional background. The first question asks, do you have any work experience? If you've worked before, whether part-time, full-time, or freelance, select Yes. If not, simply choose No. The next question asks, have you worked as a brand ambassador before? If you've represented any organization, brand, or campaign in the past, select Yes, otherwise choose No. Once both options are selected, click the red Continue button to move to the next step, Payment Information. You'll need to select your payment method and enter your account number carefully. Once done, click on the Continue button. You'll now be redirected to the Terms and Conditions page. Take a moment to read all the terms carefully, and when you're ready, click Submit. After submitting, you'll automatically return to the Refer and Earn page. Now, simply click on Generate Referral Code, and there it is. You can start sharing your referral code with friends and begin earning right away. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll also find a commission tracking option, where you can easily monitor your earnings. Just below that, there's a referral contest section, where you can view your challenges and goals to win exciting rewards. And finally, at the bottom, you'll see the Contact and Support section, where you can reach out anytime, 24/7, for help or assistance. And that's it. You've completed the Refer and Earn tutorial of Worldwide Admissions Hub. Start sharing, start earning, and grow with us. Thank you for watching.